Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Chrome won't stay signed into websites when closing the browser, then please watch this video. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. After selecting settings from the menu, you can go to the privacy and security tab. Okay, in the list on the right pane, there is an option which says third party cookies are allowed. Click on this and make sure that it is selected at allow third party cookies, because there are a lot of websites which judge your sign in data through cookies and cache. If these are deleted, then your sign in data will also be deleted. Okay, then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions, and then I'll show you a few extensions in the Chrome store, especially there are extensions which auto delete cookies. Okay, so I'll click on enter and I'll show you like the cookie remover extension, remove cookies for site, clear cookies for one site. Let's say that this extension was installed on your computer. So by default, whenever you try to exit Chrome, it will remove all the cookies. And how would you remove such an extension? Click on these three dots here and then you can select extensions and then on manage extensions, and then you can try disabling it. If it works, then simply remove it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.